Question 3. Oti, who is ne? The deputy president of South Africa right now?
Deputy President of South Africa.
Ah.
Okay, deputy. Malema.
Nah, never.
Ay, it's a whippy. Ay. Ay, let. Ngumalima mtshana. Ufunda phela ndeka lesesikole sethu.
Merera lake.
Merera lake. Sinitshintshela lenza kanje igama lesikole sethu.
Yeah.
Sasifunda imali JSS thina. But anyway, it's a whippy guys. The brain is not brain.